How you doing, everyone? Gearhead Abe here. Welcome back to the channel. Here's an update video on the 1990 C4 Corvette. I'm sure you can tell from this angle there's something different, and that would be the new exhaust system. I'm sure the purists of car fans know what exhaust this is without me even saying anything, but I'll go ahead and tell you. This is a Borla 2.5-inch system. This is the first generation Borla system designed for these cars. I got my hands on one, brand new. These things retail for, what do they go for? I think they're like $1,400 nearly for just these mufflers going back. Very expensive system. So I got that. Make sure it's going. Then I got the rear pipe, the rear Y pipe, and this is a specific part for this system, for the Borla. That's the Borla Y pipe. And then you're not going to be able to see it, but I'll go ahead and try. I wish I had the car up in the air showing you all this. And then I got the Dynamax Walker Y pipe, which is right here. You can see it's all new. It has no precats, so they're deleted, which is up there. And then back here, can't see it, I can't get under there, but there's a, what do you call it, the Y pipe goes back to the catalytic converter used to be there. I got rid of that and put a test pipe there. So it's no cats, no precats. Back to a Borla system. I went from 2.25-inch pipes to 2.5-inch pipes. A little more increase in power and flow. I will say, just driving this car, the power has increased big time. And let me tell you guys, the way this car sounds, it's just incredible. I think I like it a lot. So I got a great deal on the system. Think of it, I bought this Borla system back here for $400 brand new, when it sells for over $1,300. That's why I jumped on it. Had to drive all the way 300 miles to go pick it up, but you're saving $1,000. You will drive 300 miles one way. I added LED headlights, as you guys know. Have a review coming for that. I added new 55-watt LED fog lights too. They're bright. I will have an exhaust clip for you guys soon. I'll do a quick startup. I'm not going to rev it here, but I'll just do a quick startup to end the video so you guys can hear what it sounds like idling and starting up. But it's been running good. I've been driving it a lot. Just hit 81,000 miles on it. And I'm just driving it and enjoying it. But I will say, this system now, it sounds so good at wide open throttle. Yeah, but everything else seems to check out good. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up soon here. You guys can hear it. Hang on. Here, let me put this here. Okay. Let's see. Is that good? Or no? Okay. It's really hot out here today, guys. Hang on a second. This is it. overly crazy loud at idle, but decently. Wait till you hear this thing at wide open throttle. It sounds like it just screams down the street. Probably one of the best sounding exhaust systems I ever heard in my life. But there it is, guys, Borla. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Just wanted an update video. I know I said I would keep this thing stock, but obviously I didn't. I couldn't resist the temptation. My previous exhaust system was falling apart. Let me turn off the car so I can do a final talk here. Okay, so my previous exhaust was rotting away, and it was rusty and falling apart, and the catalytic converter was just breaking apart inside, and it was just destroyed. So I figured, why not just, if you're gonna get a new exhaust system, why put the factory stuff still on and get like aftermarket stuff that's better? And I found the deal on the Borla. Thank God I went on Facebook Marketplace that day and found that. Anyway, I hope the Corvette enthusiasts are happy with this modification. The car looks great, performs great. Had it up at 110 miles an hour last night, and the thing was just humming with that exhaust system. Alright guys, Gearhead Abe here. Thanks for watching my channel, and more to come. Stay tuned.